So now we're going to talk about arc length. And so arc length is just a portion of the circumference of a circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the measure of the arc in degrees to find its length in linear units. So this is how we would go ahead and figure out arc length. Is we would take the arc length of AB, which is just the part that we're looking for, so this AB right here, okay? And we would divide it by the entire circumference of the circle. So we're just looking for just the portion. And that has to be proportional to this measure of AB, that arc measure there, over 360. So when I go here, I want to find the arc length and the measure. So I'm going to find it for JK. So the arc length here, or at least the measure, so I'm going to write the measure of JK. Well, that's equal to the same as that central angle that gets created. Well, that's 60 degrees. We know that. That is our minor arc that we have there. So I'm going to square it. To go ahead and find the length, so the length of JK, well, JK over 2 pi r has to be equal to our arc measure divided by the entire circle. So from here, I know that r is 16 inches, so I'm just going to plug that in. And so I would do JK over 2 pi times 16, well, I'm going to make that 32 pi, is equal to 60 over 360. Well, from here, all I have to do is multiply by 32 pi on both sides. That'll cancel out, and I get JK is equal to this chunk right here. And so when I plug this into my calculator, I'm just going to do 60 times 32 times pi. And then I have to divide that number by 360. And I get 16.76. And our unit here is inches. And so that would be our arc length.